We have the F-15 Eagle, and this is a very calm day. No wind to speak of at all, maybe a 1.5 2 mile an hour breeze. This thing is not the easiest to launch like they show in the book. We're going to try to give it a good little Peyton Manning chunk though. That was sketchy. Yeah, baby. Time to go buy a lotto ticket. Let's slow it down just a little bit and get it in closer. That was a good chunk that I made, but yet she didn't want to have a good smooth launch. If it was not for safe being on, that would have tumbled in. So when launching this, safe is the way to go. But as soon as you get flying stable, if you don't get safe off, it's gonna not be an enjoyable flight because she just doesn't want to respond quick enough. This is flight number 3. Flight number 1, everything was pretty twitchy on the ailerons. So I dialed it down for flight 2, didn't record it, and then I dialed it down again for flight 3. This one here. She's just rock steady. Well, except for the takeoffs.
It does fly well.
Yeah, once you're up in there, it's beautiful if you have safe turned off. With safe turned on, she's a pig.
Oh, really?
Oh, big time.
Did you use safe on takeoff?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I thought you did, because the way she leveled out all of a sudden, and you got it up.
Yeah, if I would not have had...
I thought, no, he's got safe on. He's pretty well got it.
If I did not have safe on, she would have been cartwheeling and tumbling in like a gymnast.
Yeah.
That was the only thing that saved it.
Yeah, Preston texted me and said the whole family, his mom's side, including the stepdad, went out last week and saw him fly.
Yeah, you were saying that.
Really
That's good.
Well, that might make it easier on you getting out to fly.
Yeah, exactly. You said he's, how old, 14?
Yeah.
Well, another 2 years, he'll have his license and be able to get himself out there. Now, AMA clubs, usually I think you got to be 18, don't you, to fly by yourself?
It's either 16 or 18, I don't know. I just lie about my age and just tell them, hey.
Alright, I'm going to try to land, but as wet as it is, I'm going to try to Harrier land this thing and try to stall it in rather than letting it drag across all that wet grass, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm going to go out a little bit further and see if I can bleed off some speed.
Yeah, it's a long ways out.
Alright, chopping back on some throttle right about now.
Doing fine.
I'm going to, like I said, I'm just going to try to flop it in.
You're doing fine.
There we go. That way we don't skid too far, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because with it wet, you skid across there, it just sucks all that water into the intake. Alright, F-15 Eagle, flight number 3 in the book. Sketchy takeoff. But once we got it up in the air and got safe turned off, she was flying good. Alright, thanks for watching.